Hello. Welcome to YouCook World channel.
Is the decline coming? Apple is testing reduced pricing on the iPhone. Powerful discounts are seen in 3 countries. Experts and consumers have noticed a powerful reduction in prices on the iPhone in various regions. A decrease in prices by 30% immediately occurred in China, India, and Brazil. Analysts believe that Apple is behind the price reduction, since the discounts on the iPhone were made in all the largest stores in these countries. iPhones are getting cheaper. The first drop in prices for iPhones in China, India and Brazil was noticed by consumers, who began reporting a powerful drop in the cost of Apple smartphones by 30% at once. Then, the general reduction in prices for iPhones was confirmed by experts who reviewed the offers from all leading retailers of the countries listed. The decline is atypical for Apple, experts emphasize. iPhones fell an average of 30%, and discounts became available at all Apple authorized retailers. Apparently, the markdown iPhone was made by the team leaders of the American company. This is indirectly confirmed by the official statement of Apple CEO Tim Cook in early 2019. After a report on the not-so-successful final quarter of 2018, Cook said that the problem with the high prices on the iPhone in some countries really exists. In this regard, Apple intends to adjust the prices of the iPhone in the most problematic regions, making them more accessible, said Apple CEO. Russia is one of such problematic regions for Apple, and therefore they expect discounts on the iPhone soon.
Thank you for your attention. Subscribe and like.